Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, I started one Telegram group and the link I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join in that group guys. And coming to the present content of the video, here we are going to see the State Teachers Eligibility Test Exam 2021 and we will see the details regarding this one. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the complete course for the UGC NET Electronic Science and the Paper 1 JRF 2021, it is going to start from Jan 19, 2021. And here the educators are myself, Ashwani Kumar Gadige, which is dealing with the Electronic Science, and Ashima Negi dealing with the Paper 1. And regarding these details, you can see at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is Rajasthan Eligibility Examination for Teachers REET 2021. And here the website as well as the email ID is also given here. So I will take you to the website later. First we will see the details regarding this notification guys. The starting of the application form is 11th January 2021. Okay. And the closing date is 8th February 2021. Okay. And here you can check down that the payment last date is 14th Feb 2021. Okay, and the examination date is on 25th April 2021. And while coming to the 1st to 5th class, the examination is on 2:30 to evening 5 o'clock, and the 6th to 8th class morning 10 to afternoon 12:30. So these are the timings for the examinations guys. And now here if you are applying for only one paper, okay, keval ek pariksha, then the 550 rupees. If you are applying for a dono pariksha, then it's the 750 rupees is the application fee. And coming to the eligibility conditions from 1st to 5th class, here the different eligibility conditions are there. Coming to the first one, senior secondary with at least 50% of marks, passed or appearing in final year of 2-year diploma in elementary education, or senior secondary with at least 45% of marks and passed 2-year diploma in elementary education in accordance with the NCTE, and or senior secondary with at least 50% of marks and passed or appearing in the final year of 4-year bachelor of elementary education, or senior secondary with at least 50% of marks and passed or appearing in final year of 2-year diploma in education, or graduation and 2-year diploma in elementary education passed. Okay, so any one of these qualifications from the A, B, C, D, E. While coming to the 6th to 8th class, the qualifications required here are any one of the qualification mentioned here, that is graduation and 2-year diploma in elementary education, or at least 50% of marks either in graduation or post graduation and B.Ed passed or appearing in the final year of bachelor in education, or graduation with at least 45% of marks and 1 year B.Ed passed in accordance with the NCTE regulations issued from time to time, or senior secondary with at least 50% of marks and passed or appearing in the final year of 4-year bachelor in elementary education, or senior secondary with at least 50% of marks and passed or appearing in the final year of 4-year BA, BS ED, BA ED or BSc ED. So, or graduation or post graduation with at least 50% of marks and 1 year B.Ed passed or appearing in the final year of the B.Ed. So, out of the A, B, C, D, E, F, any one of the qualification is required for the 6th to 8th class. Okay, so it is a notification guys, and I will provide you the official website link in the description box of this video, so you may check down clearly to get the accurate details and the more details. Okay, so please share this information to your friends or colleagues, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UG Senate Paper 1, that is Teaching and Research Aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UG Senate Paper 1, that is Teaching and Research Aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the Paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete Unit 1, that is the Teaching Aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is SWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam in the 2021, so both the UG Senate Paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UG Senate exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.